look at this wall.
For 800 meters.
All right, Convento de Cristo. Atop a hill rising from the old town is the remarkable Convent of Christ. You can drive to the top of the hill or hike for about 20 minutes along a path through the trees before reaching a formal garden lined with azeljo-covered benches. This was the Portuguese headquarters of the Knights Templar from 1160 until the order was forced to disband in 1314. Identified by their white tunics emblazoned with a crimson cross, the Templars were at the forefront of the Christian armies in the Crusades, and during the struggles against the Moors, King Dinis in 1334 resurrected the order in Portugal under the banner of the Knights of Christ and re-established Tomar as its headquarters. In the early 15th century, under Prince Henry the Navigator, who for a time resided in the castle, the order flourished. The caravels of the Age of Discovery even sailed under the order's crimson cross. The oldest parts of the complex date to the 12th century, including the towering castle keep and the fortress-like 16-sided charola, which, like many Templar churches, is patterned after the Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem, and has an octagonal oratory at its core. The paintings and wooden statues in its interior, however, were added in the 16th century. The complex's medieval nucleus acquired its Manueline church and cluster of magnificent cloisters during the next 500 years. To see what the Manueline style is all about, stroll through the church's nave with its many examples of the twisted ropes, seaweed, and nautical themes that typify the style. And be sure to look at the chapter house window, one of the most photographed in Europe. Its lichen-crusted sculpture evokes the spirit of the great Age of Discovery.
All right, go.
Oh. My goodness. I want to know how people chip marble like that.
Oh, yeah.
Is it weird that I want those friggin' snails? Barnacles. Yeah, barnacles. This makes me think of Arabic. It's a bush! Rosemary bush! I've never seen a rosemary plant this freaking big. Jeez. We're all talking about this awesome lemon tree and the raspberry or in the rosemary, and we didn't even notice. Castle!
Yeah, fuck it.
You gonna pull it
Bring it
open?
down.
You can't just pull it open.
I mean, he's strong,
Sure.
but
Let me get a key. Oh, look, they do paint it. See? And a little bird in it.
I don't know what's going on.
I'm assuming that's a stain to help it.
yeah, but that I don't know. That's weird. I'm gonna get yelled at here. Oh yeah.
Stupid cute baby.
Hey, let's just hop on this. Again.
Ooh, cool. Wow.
But I think it's probably like burning. Ooh, horses are trotting out here.
Pantry. Big ass kitchen. But I suppose if you have 100 Knights Templar to feed. I mean, hell, look at the fireplace.
So cool. Definitely.
I found a couple of cool places. Here, let's see if we can shine some light on this.
Try feeding 100 Knights Templar in one kitchen. I think it's lacking cabinets, but looks like it'd work pretty good.
Wake up.
I just want to keep saying, don't trust Google Maps.
Roy, how do you feel about Google Maps?
Roy, how do you feel about Google Maps?
Oh, don't trust Google Maps.
Look right above you. Look up there.
Hates it. Bread. Okay.
Bread, cheese, and good job finding us.
This is what I've always wanted to try.
I'm gonna get the vegetarian dish.
As you should. As you
Yeah.
should. You're a proper vegetarian, and that's what you need to do. I love that it even has rope. It needs to be like cowhide tied together. This is just for you.
Hey, boss.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yes, it's your birthday now. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Jetty found this place for Roy's birthday, and it's really cool. It even has, I mean, it's all candlelit, so it's gonna be tough to read the menu.
Only for you blind people.
Yeah. But yeah, excited. We are even sitting on sheep there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I guess that's like goat, huh?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. This one over here is goat.
There's a 22-year-old.
Look at those pouty lips. I just want to sleep on the bottom one.
Dude, I would have totally walked by this place too.
Yeah.
Like,
This was misleading.
Yep. Yeah, it almost looks like a speakeasy, but an
well, no,
old-timey tavern.
it's all like closed off.
Yeah, you wouldn't even
It
look.
just says enter.
Oh, this is a legit olive bowl. I thought they were all connected. That's
He was
great.
over here just eating butter and then
Yeah.
finally realizes that.
Don't judge me. I've had a really tough day.
I'm just so tired.
Ugh.
And fantastic.
Doing frog legs.
Deep Fat Friday. You guys care if I squeeze a lemon across them all?
No, do it. I have no idea what to expect.
Remember, they're little bones.
They have little bones. I would have fucking crunched the shit out of this thing.
You know how they say they taste like chicken? No.
They would taste
Remember, they don't taste like chicken. You're gonna find out.
Okay. So I just pop it like that.
Hmm?
Sauce is really weird. It's good for a little bite.
This is so weird.
Another big. Then you just leave his footsie.
Oh no.
Right?
It looks like he's fishing cats.
Princess and the Frog. That's what I think of.
Oh my god. Oh, his foot.
No, look,
It's just a nub. It's just a nub. Oh.
Oh, wow.
How cool. We'll put these guys right there. Neato.
Okay.
Beef in the wheat sauce,
Okay.
white goat pie,
It's the what pie?
white goat,
Wild bird. Okay. More.
Russian codfish,
Okay.
and venison tart.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's cold plate.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
And barley, and mushrooms, vegetables with, couscous salad and lentils, pickles, and Polish fries.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
All right. Thank you.
Jenny, you get your.
Because I light it on fire.
Jenny.
Right. Frog legs are not my favorite. They don't taste bad.
Yeah.
Oh God. You mess.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, yeah, you get to eat that, Eva.
The tomatillo.
Is that what that is?
So are they gooseberries? They grow like a tomatillo, but they're the texture.
Yeah, it's like hummus.
I like it.
Now, what was the flavor?
Peanut butter.
Chestnut. I really like cinnamon.
I do too.
I'll blow out your candle, Eva, that way you can go to bed.
I'm gonna fall asleep and put it out with my forehead.
We are in a cave. A castle. There's no Wi-Fi in here.
Yeah.
Silly castle.